everyone, welcome back to Tech 2 AI. Quick question. Is your Gmail showing storage almost full? Or worse, you can't send or receive emails. Most people think, okay, Gmail is full, I'll just delete some emails. But that's not the real problem. Here's what's actually happening. Your Google account has 15 gigabytes of storage, and that space is shared between Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and even hidden backups. So you delete emails, but the storage warning stays. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do when Gmail storage is full, how to see what's really using your space, how to clean Google Photos without losing your memories, and how to fix Gmail and Drive properly. Watch till the end, because one simple Google Photos setting can free up gigabytes of space instantly and bring your Gmail back to normal. First, let's check what is taking up how much space in your Google storage. To do that, on your phone or on a desktop browser, sign in to your Google account, the same account where storage is full. That, open Gmail or Google Photos. Tap on your profile picture. Go to Manage your Google account. And then tap on Manage Storage. Here, you'll see a clear breakdown of how much space is being used by Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and your backups. In most cases, Google Photos and Google Drive are the real space eaters. And honestly, the same thing happened with my account. Google Photos alone was taking 11.38 gigabytes, which is almost 75% of my total storage. So yes, for most people, Google Photos is the biggest storage problem. Now the good news, you can free up a lot of space without deleting your real memories. Turn on Storage Saver. Very important. Open Google Photos, tap your profile picture, go to Photos Settings. Then Backup Quality. Select Storage Saver. What this does is simple. Google Photos will compress new photos and videos before uploading. They still look perfectly fine for normal viewing and sharing, but they use much less storage. For most users, the quality difference is barely noticeable, but the storage savings are huge. After this, we'll handle photos that are already uploaded and recover storage from old photos. But before deleting anything, pause for a moment. If you have important photos or videos, especially high-quality ones, download them to your computer or an external hard drive. For important emails with attachments, download the attachment or forward the email to another account. If you want full safety, you can also take a one-time backup of Gmail, Drive, and Photos and then clean everything freely. I've already made a detailed video showing how to download all photos and videos from Google Photos very easily. That way, you can safely back up your memories and never worry about losing them. You'll find that video on the I button and also in the pinned comment. Once your backup is done, you can continue without stress. Recover storage from old photos. Biggest fix. Now open Manage Storage. Look for Recover Storage or Convert to Storage Saver. Click it. Google will now compress your existing photos and videos and free up a lot of space. It says the process may take several hours, but in most cases, it gets completed within an hour or so, depending on how much storage needs to be compressed. Now, an important note, once your photos and videos are compressed, you cannot get the original quality back from Google. So if you have very important or professional photos or videos, make sure you back them up locally first and only then run this step. Right now, my total storage usage is 15.8 gigabytes. Let's see how much space this process can recover. It's been 15 minutes. Let me refresh and check. Okay, it has freed up 1 gigabyte, but the process isn't finished yet, so let's wait and see. I'm back after 10 more minutes. Oh wow, now it's showing 8 gigabytes. But it's still compressing, so I'll wait for the final result. Alright, the full compression is now complete, and it has freed up about 4 gigabytes of space. Before, it was 15.8 gigabytes, and now it's down to 11.9 gigabytes. That's a huge difference. If you look at large photos and videos, they are now compressed to 5.6 gigabytes. Earlier, they were taking up almost 11 gigabytes if you remember. Not bad at all. Now, still inside Manage Storage, you'll see categories like blurry photos and screenshots. Open blurry photos first. Delete dark, out of focus shots that you'll never use. Next, open screenshots. Old OTP screenshots, WhatsApp statuses, memes, and temporary screenshots. Delete all of them. Now let's clean Gmail itself. Open Gmail on desktop. Go to Trash. Empty it. Go to Spam. Empty it. Remember, emails in spam and trash still count towards storage until they are permanently deleted. Now, delete old newsletters, promotions, and emails with large attachments that you don't need anymore. After deleting, empty the trash again to actually recover the space. Next, open Google Drive. Go to Storage or sort files by size. Delete old video exports, zip files, installers, and duplicate folders. Then empty the drive trash. Now check Backups in your Google account storage page. You may see old phone backups or WhatsApp backups from devices you no longer use. Delete those backups. Keep only the latest backup for your current phone. This also frees up space from the same shared storage. If you still hit the storage limit after all this, you have two options. Either regularly move old files to an external drive or another cloud service, or upgrade to a small Google One plan. Even the basic plan can remove constant storage warnings if you deal with lots of photos and videos. So that's how you fix Gmail storage full. Understand that all Google services share the same storage. Clean Google Photos the smart way. Remove heavy emails. Delete old drive files and backups. If this video helped you get Gmail working again, like the video, subscribe to Tech2AI and share it with someone who keeps seeing storage almost full. And tell me in the comments, how many gigabytes did you free? See you in the next one.